Is Ayan, and today I'm going to show you my submission for the coding lab thing. So this is my online e-learning assistant, and my Python submission addresses SDG4. SDG4 is ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. I feel that the most reachable and technologically efficient way of giving quality education to students everywhere is through e-learning. E-learning is very popular, and these are some of the platforms I use. I can learn what I want, when I want, and I can customize to my settings, like font size, language pace, so that etc. So quality education is accessible to everyone. However, there are downsides to online education, like distraction, isolation, lack of face-to-face interactions that ultimately boil down to two major things: added stress and reduction of focus. The objective of my code is to enhance effectiveness of online learning by offering tips and techniques to control stress and focus. There are three logical parts to this code. The code detects the current state of the user. It offers stress management tips and focus management tips. Now I'm going to show you my code. This is my code. It tells you what, when I run it, it tells you what it is and its goals. And then it asks you really what's my name. So I'm going to put in my name and I'll stress. For this example, I'm going to put 9 and I'm going to put 1. So there's an added ability to no. Now I'm going to put yes. Yes. Now while this is going, I'm going to show you this. So this is what happens at the start. This is the what's your name. This is what I input the numbers, and right now we're at this one. And we're at this one. And then we're going to go focus activities. And since I put lower than 6, I'm going to do this one. And then I'm going to say no, and then go to final message and end zip. So, would you like to try again? No. Let's play again. 8. And now I'm going to get this one wrong. So 8, 5, I'm going to put 8, 9. And then, you want to try again? No. You want to play this? Sure, why not? Then 7 times 1, 7. 3 times 7, I'm going to put 8, which is wrong. And it minuses the thing. So I'm going to put exit. But first I'm going to show you what happens when you don't put exit. And then exit. Okay, have a great day and happy learning. Now, thank you for your consideration, and I hope you good luck in voting for me.